Hello guys, today I will show how to install Astra premium theme in WordPress. So this is my site. I'm going to dashboard. Then click appearance and click the themes. Okay, here is some free themes, but we want to use Astra Pro theme, premium theme. So already I have download premium version theme. So now I will upload my Astra Pro themes here. Add new and upload theme. Okay, so here is Astra Pro premium all version. Astra Pro 3.8.1 zip. I will upload here. Install. It will take some time. Theme install done. Now I will activate. Okay, so here is Astra Pro themes. So I will make it a starter template, premium template. So I need to go plugins, add new plugins. Okay, upload plugin. So has Astra premium sites. I will upload this, make it install. Now active plugin. Now my starter templates are active. So I need to activate the license. So I need to activate the license. I will go my account from where I took my license. Yes, license. I copied this license, paste here. So my license is successfully validated. That's it. So now go to theme option. Okay, and here is the starter templates option. Yes, so I click the starter template. Okay, and then select the Elementor Pro. So here has premium option. So now I will use my all premium theme because my theme has already premium version activated, license successfully activated. So like I will use this. So if I want to use this theme, so they give me access for use these themes. Otherwise they redirect to Astra Pro website. So this is the system we can use install Astra Pro premium theme in WordPress. So you can try. Okay, thank you.